Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone available apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Then scroll down again, tap on Dual Messenger, and click on the switcher next to available app that you want to clone, in this case Facebook. Click Install and wait. Now when I go into my settings, I'm in menu, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!